So when you have your LG TV set up to start, like as you see when you get to the screen here, and now you want to start downloading apps, as you can see there are a few apps that are loaded here, like you have Netflix, Prime Video, Apple TV, Disney Plus, and YouTube as well. But you can come here on apps right here by the green button at the bottom here, and you can open it up like that, and then it's going to take you to the apps. And then there you have it. So if you want to load up other apps that you can see here that you want to use, you can go ahead and just search for it. So for me right now, I want to search for an app called Twitch. So I'm just going to search for it like that, and then I can see it up there. So I'm just going to search for it, and then there it is. And then I'm going to click on it like this, and it's going to bring me here, and you can see where it says install here, and then I'm going to say install. And as you can see here, it says that you need to log in to install or update Twitch. Do you want to log in? Then I'm going to say yes. So now it's going to take me to a login page. So now that it gets to this page here, you can either have a device sign in, a mobile web sign in, or the LG ThinkQ app sign in. That's the one I'm going to use, but you can choose which one you want. But the LG ThinkQ app is the much easier one. So then it's going to come to this page right here. So at this point you need to have your mobile phone, and you just download the app as I have it downloaded here. So then I'm going to open it like this. So now I will have created my account on the app and logged in, and then I'm just going to come up to the plus, and then I'm going to say add new devices like this, and then I can search. I can come down here to TV, and then the TV is turned on, and then I'm going to say turn on, and then I'm going to say done, and then it's going to scan, and it sees the TV right here, and then I'm going to just tap on that, and then it's going to show a number on the TV that you can see here, and I just have to put it in on the app right now. So I'm going to put it in. There we go, and then I'm going to press OK, and then it's going to connect. So I'm just going to say sign in. After I do it, it's going to ask me to sign in, and we want to sign in right now. So it's just going to connect from the phone to the TV. And right there it says you have signed in. And then it's going to ask turn on via Bluetooth. I'm just going to say later because I don't really need that connection. And then now it's saying you've added. So I'm just going to say OK, and then it's going to say welcome. So now that is done, I'm just going to go and press close down here like that. And then I'm going to come back again to install. And then now you can see it's downloading the app, and even if the app is here and you just want to update, you can go ahead. So you see application has been installed right there. So then I can just go back and I can close this right on top the corner there. That's where you can close, and then I can close like that. And then if I go back and I look on the bottom, I can see Twitch is right there, and then I can just click on it, and then the app is now working. So that's how you load apps on your TV, just like that. As you can see, it's working. Thanks for watching.